Zoe Sakudis, founder of Blueprint.
And I'm Erica Haas, co-founder of Blueprint.
I use it primarily to keep my bag off the ground.
Bonjour, I'm Esther Gauthier, the owner of Aqua Studio. Every time I go to the restaurant, I like sitting at the bar and I'm always looking for a hook, and so many times they don't have one, so I can always hook my bag.
My first year in New York, my bag was stolen because it was between my feet on the ground at a bar, and so hopefully that won't happen again.
My name is Chantal Valentine. I'm a designer and a creative consultant.
Hello, my name is Gisu Hariri. I am the co-founder and creative director of a multidisciplinary design firm.
Inspiration for me, it's everywhere. The feeling is inspiration. The people you see on the street, the colors you see, the clothing you see, the food you eat, it's all like kind of like the breath of life's inspiration.
I use my HookUp when I travel, in the airport, in the restaurants, and in my meetings.
My name is Tara Kanamgar. I'm a classical pianist and I write music for film and play violin in a rock band. As a musician, I'm traveling constantly, and the HookUp is a perfect travel companion.
The purse is like so important for a woman.
It's my best friend. Just because it's around, it's pretty, it's cute.